These blueberry muffins have way more blueberries than your average recipe. Sift the flour and baking soda into a bowl. Sifting them gets rid of any lumps and helps the muffins rise properly. Now add salt and mix to combine. We're using wild blueberries because they grow where we live and are in season now. They're also pesticide-free. If you're using frozen berries, don't defrost them in advance. Just get them out when it's time to add them to the dough. Add a tablespoon of the mixture to the blueberries and mix. This trick prevents the blueberries from sinking into the mold while baking. Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl. The eggs should be at room temperature. Hey, where are you going? In a large bowl, add butter at room temperature and whisk until smooth and creamy. This will only take about a minute. Add white sugar and brown sugar and whisk for another minute. We only need a bit of sugar because we're using so many blueberries. Add the eggs and whisk to combine. Add vanilla extract and lemon juice. The lemon juice brings out the flavor of the blueberries and the butter. Whisk until combined. Then add half of the dry ingredients and half of the room temperature milk. Mix until just barely combined. Then add the remainder of the dry ingredients and milk. Use a spatula and stir gently, only until the mixture is just barely combined. Now add the blueberries. Mix gently and don't overmix. If you're using frozen blueberries, add them in while still frozen. Now prepare your muffin tray with a little oil or melted butter. Spoon in the mixture evenly until you've used it all up. If you find this video helpful, please click on the thumbs up for us. These are going to be so delicious. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven. Then take them out and test them with a toothpick or knife. If it comes out with no dough stuck on it, the muffins are ready. If there is dough sticking, bake for another 5 minutes and check again. We're using a silicone mold, but you could also use a metal one. Let the muffins cool for about 15 minutes. You should try one while they're freshly baked. So good. If you like this recipe, we think you'll like this video too.